Hey, are you curious how essential oils can be used to help with autoimmune wellness? Hello, this is Anna Laura Brown of AnnaLauraBrown.com and host of the Autoimmune Rehab Podcast, where I talk all about how to help assist you on your journey to autoimmune healing and autoimmune wellness. So, today's episode and this video, I'm going to talk with you about 5 essential oils for autoimmune wellness. Now, I have to add as a caveat to this that this does not mean that these essential oils are going to heal you from anything. They are not considered a cure for anything. They're just simply 5 essential oils that I found to be really helpful in my everyday life and as part of my journey to healing from autoimmune. Okay, so number 1 is lavender. Now, what do I use lavender for? And why is lavender so important? Well, lavender is a big essential oil for helping with calming and stress, also helping for sleep. And anybody that has any kind of an autoimmune condition needs to be able to get really good high quality sleep. And you also need to be able to work on reducing your stress and having more of a sense of peace and calming and that kind of thing. And lavender is just a perfect essential oil to make that happen. Number 2 is lemongrass. Now, what is lemongrass for? Well, lemongrass is actually a plant that comes from the grasses, and it's actually not a citrus, even though it has the word lemon in it. Lemongrass is a really highly anti-inflammatory essential oil that can really help in reducing your inflammation. More specifically, it has been shown to help in reducing inflammation in places like your thyroid, which is one of the more common places that a lot of us struggle with some autoimmune issues. And so I like to use lemongrass to just rub a little bit on top of the thyroid or even on the bottoms of my feet or, just any place that I feel like I'm starting to get a little bit more of that inflammation and swelling. The next one is myrrh, and myrrh is the same kind of idea. It's also a really big anti-inflammatory. I like to rub it over the thyroid or my neck area, over the bottoms of my feet, that kind of thing, to help with reducing inflammation as well. The next one is clove. Now, clove is a little bit of a different essential oil, and some of you may have experience using it, and some of you don't. You can use clove for a lot of things. Clove is also really good for your dental health, so you can use it to rub on your gums and teeth to help reduce swelling there, to help you heal after doing a filling at the dentist or anything like that. But it also has an extremely high ORAC value. And I found it really beneficial to mix it in with some kind of carrier oil, then rub it over the abdomen, and really has helped to reduce swelling in the stomach area, swelling with digestion, helps also with detoxing as well. And if you have autoimmune challenges, one of the things you also need to do is detox. And clove essential oil is one of those essential oils that can help assist with detoxing. Then last but not least, we have peppermint. And peppermint is an all-around great essential oil for helping to improve your breathing, for helping with your sinuses, for helping with reducing head and neck tension, or really even any kind of tension that you have anywhere. Like I sometimes will even use it on my knees as well, although I have other blends that I prefer to use on the knees, different things like that. And I just love the smell of peppermint, and it's super invigorating. And I found that sometimes even combining clove with peppermint over the digestive area or even on the bottoms of the feet can really help enhance that energy boosting, inflammation reducing, that kind of thing. So in short, while there are a lot of essential oils that I like to use, my 5 favorites to help assist me on my journey with autoimmune are lavender, lemongrass, myrrh, clove, and peppermint. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have additional questions about essential oils, I do offer free consultations. I also teach online classes on a regular basis, so check out links with the video below, and let's get in touch and let's talk about how awesome essential oils are as one of the pieces to help you in improving your overall health and well-being, whether you have autoimmune or not. Look forward to sharing with you. Talk soon.